Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Saeko Marley. So today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to be taking down my box braids. I first started by counting how many braids I had, just so you guys could really know the number of box braids I had in my head. It might not look like that much, but I actually had 58 box braids. So this is where my real hair is sticking out, and I'm just gonna take the scissor and go just a few inches downwards. Now the oil that I'm using here is a stimulating growth oil by Tropical Roots. It smells super good, it's super lightweight, and I'm just spraying this at my roots, which will help soften all the buildup that's pretty much stuck in there. So by the time I cut the braid out and unbraid the hair from my natural hair, it'll be soft and easy for me to detangle. So I cut out most of it, but now that I'm done cutting the box braids out and they're all about the same length, I'm going to section it in half. So now that I've sectioned off my hair, I'm going in with this island oil from the Jamaican Mango and Lime collection. This oil is much heavier than the spray from Tropical Roots, but I'm just using it to add back that oil to my hair so that I'm not detangling dry, brittle hair. And I just put some in my hand, rub my palms together, and glide it along the braid before I detangle. And now that my natural hair is out, I'm going in with some Aussie Mega Moist conditioner just to bring some moisture back since my hair has been in a shock. It was in these braids for about a month. So now that this side is completely unbraided, I added some more island oil just to my scalp to add back those oils. So I'll massage the oil into my scalp, and once it's already been detangled, I will do a quick brush through. And then I'll go in with the Aussie conditioner. So now that my curls are coming back, you can see that I take my time and I glide my fingers through just to finger detangle before using a brush. And I'm just being very gentle to not cause any further breakage. And I'm going to do this to the rest of my hair. Making sure to get my ends. So I'll just keep adding some conditioner just till I feel like it's enough for my hair to suck in some moisture and get those curls back, and I will braid it up so that I can work on the rest of my head. And again, I'm using the Tropical Roots Stimulating Growth Oil on my roots where there's a lot of gel buildup. And I will just gently pull my hair apart from each other. As you can see by my face, it hurts. I'm really tender-headed in the front section of my head, but this growth oil spray really helps with a smooth and easy detangling process. And once I was done detangling and adding the conditioner in, I put my hair up into two little buns and covered it with a shower cap afterwards for about 15 to 30 minutes. And then I proceeded to wash it out, shampoo, conditioner, all that. And you guys will see in the next video how I did my 2 braids. So make sure your post notifications are on so you can see that video. But here is all the breakage I had. This is my hair. That's all the hair I lost from having these braids in. Not much actually compared to the first time I took out my box braids. I lost a lot of hair. But if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.